Guys, we got to talk. I am down my rabbit hole. I am down my rabbit hole about this crypto market, mainly about a video that I made recently. Those of you that are just joining, have a seat, sit down, strap yourself in, because this one even surprises me. Yeah, it surprises me. Guys, 12 days ago, I know because I checked. 12 days ago, I did a video, it's up on the screen now, called Bull Run Delay. And the reason I made that video, because I don't want a bull run delay. Don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to plant no doom and gloom. Not at all. But the reason I made that video is because one of our community members, active community member, in a video prior to that, he asked me in the video, he said he's hearing from a reliable source that our 2024 bull run would not start until 2026. And, I'm always going through the comments and, chatting it up with you guys when I can. I looked at that and I was like, what? Get the hell out of here. No, ain't no way possible. Then I started thinking. About it. And I said, because I have an open mind. My mind is so open. My goodness. But, guys, in my part-time, I'm always going down the conspiracy trails. It's just what I enjoy. Because you can't have someone like myself who prides himself on looking ahead and seeing things before they happen so that I can better move my chess pieces into position without actually looking at things that we know right now in the present and saying, but what if? What if? So I thought about that. And then I responded to Eddie. I believe that's the name. His name, Eddie. And I said, I can't see that happening because history tells us that we're going to get a damn bull run. And we're right in the cycle. I mean, just look at it. Look at the past Bitcoin chart versus now, and everything's moving like it's supposed to. However, I did say this, and this was before I actually went down a rabbit hole. I said, one thing that could put our bull run on pause for I don't know how long, and that would be if we didn't have an election, a presidential election. A lot of you probably like, what? Get the hell out of here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, but you have to seriously, and I am trying to go down that rabbit hole, but would it surprise you with all the craziness that's going on in the world today? Everything that's happening today. How many times have you guys said, no, I can't believe that just happened? So, I entertained this question. I said, if that happened, I could see everybody saying I'm not spending a damn thing. I think I said that in the video. I'm not spending a damn thing. So, with that, I left it at that. And then, a little while later, I said, I'm going to do a video on this because I'm pretty sure for the new investors out there, all the new investors to crypto, a lot of you're hearing about all these stories, all these success stories about how the bull cycle starts and everything is great and it builds up to the bull run and then everybody goes out and they get Lambos, right? You've heard the stories. You've heard them. You've heard them from me. Of course, mine's not really about Lambos. Mine is about botching like $300,000, right? Somewhere up in there. But nonetheless, I said, I'm sure logically minded people are saying, yeah, but what if it doesn't happen? Yeah, I know, Mr. Forsyth, you say this and other YouTubers say that, and I know what history says, but what if? And you're right. You're not wrong to even go down that rabbit hole. that I went down. So I said, I'll make a video. I made that video. That video is right here, guys. I'm going to put it at the end because I'm not going to go through that video right now. But I am going to put it at the end so you guys can check that video out. It's kind of eerie, seriously, now that I'm looking at what's going on. I'm going to show you why it's eerie. But before I show you why it's eerie, we're going to jump over here to Grow Rich, Grow Happy. And also, for all the newcomers, thank you. You're not here by chance. You're here for a reason. And I'm telling you, you're in the right place to grow rich and grow happy. But you're also in the place to get your mind right. Because you can make all the right calls in the world. You can grow your portfolio to magnitudes that no one in your family's ever seen. But if your mind not right, you're not happy. What's the use, right? Let's check something out right quick. Let's jump over here because I want to show you something. Where we at? Okay, guys. This is my channel right here. And I make a lot of videos. I'm just really seeing that for somebody who's only been doing this like 7 or 8 months, I make a lot of damn videos. I need to find something to do with my time. Anyway, this right here, guys, this is the video right here. Will 2024 be the year of crypto recovery? In that video, guys, I take you through a number of scenarios that could possibly put this bull run on hold. But in that video, also told you why I didn't think it would happen. Right? This is why. Watch what you say. So I'm jump over here. This is some conspiracy theory stuff, guys. This is what I really like. If I ever made a second channel, it would probably be conspiracy theory stuff. I probably would. But anyway, let's go over here right quick. All right. Because this is the article, actually. I was reading articles because, there's a lot going on today. A lot going on yesterday. It's just a lot going on in crypto. And I'm always doing research and trying to find out, trying to piece things together, cross some T's, dot some I's, and connect the dots for you guys. That's what I do. But anyway, this video is what reminded me, shall I say, this article is what reminded me that I did a video. Because, all right, here it is. Why is the crypto market down today? This was yesterday when the tensions happened over in the Middle East. Traders hope for bullish start to Uptember because that's what it's supposed to be, right? Were quickly dashed as the crypto and stock market sold off at the opening bell. It's what happens, okay? It's nothing new. We know when certain things happen in current events, guys. You've been a part of this channel long enough to know when stuff happens, and people are going to withdraw their money. They're going to put it under the mattress. They're going to put it in the safe. They're going to not spend anything, especially not on crypto. It's probably not on stocks either, right? We got that. And we know that's the time you make money. I don't have to go through that. I'm not going to beat that over the head. I'm going to go down, though. Okay. The entire crypto market dipped on October 1st as rising geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, increasing long liquidations and sell-offs in the U.S. equities appeared to cool investor enthusiasm for October. Yeah, you telling me. Well, this rising geopolitical tensions, guys, that's actually what I actually said in that video 12 days ago. That was one of the things I said could put this whole bull run on hold. And I explored that a little bit. Check the video out. It's eerie. It's really spooky. Okay. Over the last 24 hours, the total crypto market capitalization dropped by 1.3% to about 2.22 trillion. And stocks pulled back as well. Look at this, guys. Nothing but red. Bitcoin was doing well. Okay? They said crypto prices slip over an escalating situation in the Middle East. The instability witnessed in equities and digital assets on October 1st follows reports of possible escalation in the Middle East between Iran, Lebanon, and Israel. Everybody knows this by now, right? They said the United States has indications that Iran is preparing to imminently launch a ballistic missile attack against Israel, according to disclosed TV. And you know they also sent troops over there. May God bless them as well. You know, uh, it's terrible. It's truly terrible. But check this out, guys. This was the whole stock market. It's terrible. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. But it's nothing new to us, right? We know this is going to happen. This is what happens. And what I want you guys to understand more than anything now, especially, learn from this. Because if we go over here, I'm going to hop over here, back over here, and you look here, our fear and greed is at a 39. It could possibly fall further depending on this events and the way things are building up right now, tensions. One thing I want you guys to do, pay attention to everything that's going on. Everything that's going on with that. Because your portfolios and all of your investments are so intertwined with this. Now, I would say go out and take advantage, right? I've beat that over the head so many times. I'm not going to even offend you guys and say, yeah, if you got some dry powder, go out and buy some of the deals we was talking about. Because who the hell probably has dry powder right now? You know, a lot of you guys talk to me down in the comments, and one thing I've noticed, at least that I was noticing over the last couple of months, is people was getting jaded. This whole yo-yo effect that was going on in the crypto market, it was taking its toll on a lot of people. A lot of people was telling me that, dude, I don't have any more extra money to put into crypto. I feel like I've already put too much into the crypto market. And I understand. Therefore, right now, seeing something like this, there's no way in hell a lot of you are going to go out and put money in the crypto market. I understand that. I totally don't blame you either. However, don't sell. That's the message. I'm telling you. You don't want to sell. Do not sell. A lot of people will tell you, and I'm going to jump over here for this right quick. A lot of people will tell you, some people, hopefully not a lot, will tell you you want to get all of your cash out of the stock market, out of the cryptocurrency, and just hold it until everything crashes and everything starts to go back to normal. Then you want to go in, you want to buy more than you had before. That's how you make money. I say no, because you're not guaranteed to get back in at the deals that you've gotten in on. It's a lot of stuff we talk about here. A lot of the projects that we've talked about, you got in super early on these projects, and to sell right now in hopes of getting in at a lower price, some of these are not going to go down that low. However, I don't have a crystal ball. I always tell you guys that. I don't. I'm not Merlin. However, I do know this. There are a lot. I have to say it. There are a lot of opportunities out here. A lot of the projects that we talk about, I wouldn't say go right out and buy them right now. Let's jump over here to crypto bubbles. I wouldn't say go out and buy any of them right now because this thing ain't done falling. Things are just heating up over there. You know, it sucks. It really, really does suck. So I think smart money and smart people, what you're doing right now, you use this as an opportunity to study some of your projects. Make a shopping list. Look at some of these projects and some of your favorites and say, okay, if things happen to fall like to just levels where your lunch money would buy you like a couple of blue chip projects, you might have to take advantage of that. But I wouldn't just run right out and buy anything right now. That's just how I'm rolling. This is not financial advice. The main reason I really wanted to make this video is because I felt like it was really spooky that I made that video and I talked about the whole geopolitical tensions and how something like that could put our bull run on hold. I really hope that I'm wrong. I really hope nothing like that does happen. But I still say you guys need to be prepared. You have to be prepared for anything, especially right now. So take a look at the video, watch the video, and tell me, am I losing my mind? Am I losing my mind? I made that video 12 days ago, guys. 12 days ago. All because of a question. Now I have to ask about our community member, Eddie. I believe it's Eddie. Eddie, who do you know? I don't know. I just know right now I'm down my rabbit hole. And I'm going to be down my rabbit hole because, I pride myself on looking ahead. And since I pride myself on looking ahead, I want to just make sure I'm in the best possible position. And I'm going to be following articles and everything that's going on over in the Middle East. I hope you guys are too. I'm going to be making videos about stuff like that, but I'm also still going to be making crypto because I really believe now is the time, guys, where if things do get put on hold, it's not something that you should cry about. It's not. It sucks. It does. I mean, it ain't nothing to cry about because I believe there are bigger things going on, really, overseas. Our troops are going over there, and that's more important than anything. But, you know, take this opportunity to say that, you understand the way the economics work. Something like this, geopolitical tensions rise, your portfolio takes a dump. It's just how it works. So things, once things over there start, hopefully we can be avoided. They're talking in World War III, but hopefully it can be avoided and we can get back to doing things like we normally do things. And our portfolios was looking good for a while. They were starting to look up. Mine is hurting like a big dog right now. I don't even think I'm looking at it anymore. So I just wanted to make that video, bring your attention to the other video. And guys, check it out. Let me know down below, what do you think? Now the question is out there. I have to ask. Do you think our bull run is going to be put on pause? Let me know, guys, down below. I'm out.